Today we're gonna do a journal cover. The colors I'm gonna use are Artisan brand, and they are 24 karat gold, cobalt, titanium, and turquoise. And I've got 3 peacock feathers and some accessories. I may add something else, I don't know yet. Okay, I've got all my mica powders mixed up, and in my clear I've added just a bit of silk microfine glitter cool diamond. It's from Elizabeth Craft Designs. I wanted to just give it a little shimmer, and it's gonna be shimmery. So I'm gonna lay a first layer down. I got these molds off of Amazon. They came in 3. I should have bought 2 at the same time so I could do the back side at the same time. I haven't opened these 2 yet. This end is completely marred. There was like little pieces of wood embedded, and I dug those out. I knew I was going to have to do a top coat on this mold. I'm not happy. Now I'm glad I didn't buy 2, because now I know that I'm not going to get a good quality mold from this company. So I'll just use this and know that I have to do a flood coat on top, or a top coat, whatever you want to call it. This is a silicone paintbrush. It can be used for polymer clay, but it's silicone, so it's not going to scratch my mold. So if you're going to do a lot of molds, you should look at these online. You can get a whole set of them. Okay, that's done, and now here's my easy cleanup. I just wipe it off. Silicone, rubber tip. Now, this says water, but it's alcohol. I just haven't changed the label yet. 91%, so I'm just doing that to help pop the bubbles. And now, I don't know how this is going to work, because the last time I tried putting this on a cup, that destroyed the feather. It was just awful. So I want to put this upside down. And this one is the bigger one, so I'm going to put this one up higher. This one is the smaller one. Nope, nope, nope. I didn't want to put that down yet. That's that right there. Yeah. One thing I notice is a rookie mistake. These feathers are three-dimensional as far as going AWOL. They're coming out of the resin, so I'm gonna have to babysit this. And I want to get my little heat gun. It's an embossing heat gun, and I'm going to get that, and I'm going to try to just blur the lines a little bit. In the meantime, I've got leftover resin. Let me shift this over here. I got this mold set from Amazon as well. But I thought, how cute! The little kitty and then the little paw prints and lots of pendants. Make little post back earrings. So let's do that. This is really cool, guys. This silicone tip acts just like a rubber spatula. I'm going to keep an eye on this, get this pressed down when it's tacky, and we'll come back. Alright, I'm back. I am put on a very thin, kind of like a flood coat. Oop, I just left a thumbprint. I'm kind of like eager to see what these look like. Let's do these little tiny things. These little cats and paw prints. Oh, that's kind of pretty. Oh, isn't that adorable? Goodbye. This is a goodbye. These are cute. These, I think I'm going to leave in because I haven't decided what color I'm going to put on the back yet, but they're really pretty sparkly. All right, let's go in for the little one here. This will require a little top coat. I'll lay it down like that. I want to see what this one looks like. It's probably gonna the feathers and everything are probably disappeared because I put too much mica powder. If I'd have done it in layers like I did this one and these, it probably would have been okay. Oh no! I have a great big giant hole. Can you see this mark right here and this mark right there? That's where the wood was. And I can fix that. I'll have to do a little bit of light sanding and then flood that in with some clear. Without the flaws, that looks pretty cool. I'm rushing these. I know I am because the backs are sticking. Yeah, next time I do this, I'm gonna just do the little sparkly, put the feathers in and let it cure. Let's do this stupid thing. I don't know what this is. It can't be a ring because it's way too fat at this bottom half. So what is that? That's weird. No idea. None. See, I was interested to see if the black would affect this. I didn't put anything on these. It does change it just slightly. Won't these make cute little earrings? Oh, pretty. Wish I'd have done some ruby red. Oh, that gives it a pink. Just a very pale, just a light pink tint. All right, let's take out these little tiny blue ones. Little squares, they're adorable. These are pretty too. I should be laying these on a silicone mat. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that one. Isn't that pretty? Has some depth to it. Ew. Oh, wow. I feel like a little kid in a candy store. These are really shiny. I like this mold. Has almost like a cat's eye effect. Almost, not quite. That one has a little air bubble in it. Those are pretty. Just a few more and we're done. Those are very interesting. It's kind of an odd bump there. Don't know what caused that. Maybe it's the framework of the mold. That's an odd one too. That's pretty. I like that one. One more there. I didn't fill this one all the way up because I couldn't get it to work. I couldn't get it in there. I don't care for plastic rings though. But that's okay. That was fun. I'm gonna let these fully set up and then I'll do top coats later. And it's sticking to the board. Shoot. Oh well. Thanks for joining me, guys. I had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed watching. And I hope that you, I'll put links to these molds. You can try your luck on these if you want. They come in a set of 3. This one, and this one. So you could do like a journal, a phone number book, and a baby calendar. That would be fun. I'm gonna turn that over. I think what I'll do is I'll lay some pretty parchment paper down. After I sand down these rough edges, I'll lay some pretty parchment paper down. While we're waiting for this stuff to dry, I was thinking I would show you my project that I had to put on hold because I didn't have any Helmsman satin varnish. But my husband brought me home a can last night, so I sprayed it this morning. This is what I have so far. This is my 3D mermaid cup. This is a modeling paste, and I show you how to do that in the video, but I want to build this up a little more, do some repainting. I don't like those clouds, so we're going to fix that. Anyway, coming up, I'm probably going to have this one done by next Monday, okay? Don't forget to like and comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for all of you subscribers who already have. And I really appreciate all of your comments. And we will see you next week. Love you. Bye-bye.